welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to set up Google Family Link on PC. So if you also want to set up Google Family Link on PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now click on the search bar and type families.google/family link. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Google Family Link. First of all, make sure you have created the family group. Once you have created the family group, all you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see the question, does your child have a Google account? You can see two options over here, no and yes. If your child has a Google account, all you have to do is click on the yes option. If your child does not have a Google account, you have to click on the no option. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is get your child's device, open settings. For Android devices you have to go to Google, then parental controls. For Chrome OS devices, go to people, then parental controls. Then you have to follow the steps in order to set up the parental controls. After you have done that, come back to this device. You can see done option over here. All you have to do is click on it. Then you'll be led to another interface where you'll have to provide the email and password of your child's account, and then you're good to go. After setting up the Google Family Link, you can have parental control in your child's device or your child's account. So that is it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.